This just in. This is your captain. We're letting everyone know that this is not a hoax. This is not something that has just poofed into someone's mind and created it. This is a situation where everyone needs to be ready. You understand, or maybe you don't. I'm gonna put it to you straight. Soon coming will be a 60-day to 90-day lockdown for every human being in New York City. Take it from me. I'm Flight Captain Andre. And what I say, I've heard it. And this is no grapevine. Peoples, run for cover. Pray to your God. Get the food and essentials that you need right away. Trust God. Whatever you like, peanut butter, almond joy, Kit Kats, bag of Doritos. Make sure you get enough for the month. There will be a shutdown. How do I know? How do you think I know? I've had a talk with... Who else you talk to? Thank you. This message is sponsored by No Chance Music, the better voice, the better choice. I wish you all well. COVID-19 is a name they gave it. Death is what becomes of us as humans. There was not one, not two, not three deaths. They had no guinea pigs. Please, take care of your family. Check on the elderly and make sure you identify yourself as being healthy, not rude, not disgusting. Please, make America great. Period.